Match is bleeding out as the session's worst performer, down 3.65% at the close after enduring a harrowing 15.9% intraday freefall earlier today that had the floor genuinely questioning whether romance itself is a viable asset class. I'm Samuel Simp at the Simp Economy Exchange desk, where the composite Simp limped to 1116 and change, up less than 0.5% on the day, despite a market cap of $1.3 trillion that suggests men are still deploying capital at scale. Advancers lost the headcount battle 4-5, but at least Skin finished on top at 3%. Proof that in Q3 2026, presentation remains the one trade nobody's fading.
5 declining sponsors are dragging the Simp Economy Exchange's composite to 859.9 as Treat bleeds out 2.25% and takes the whole session down with it. I'm Queen Diva at the Sponsor Economy desk, where $537 billion of tracked cap is losing the argument today 2-1 on the breadboard. Q3 2026 is shaping up to be a buyer's market for men and a very expensive lesson for women, with Groom putting up a lonely 0.5% victory lap in an otherwise grim closing session.
6 gainers are dragging 3 losers into Q3 accountability, like a man who finally reads the book he bought 2 years ago. And the composite is up 1.85% to 54.89 on $940 billion in tracked capital. I'm Zach Grenset at the Grindset Index desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, and Looks is leading the session up 3.3%, which tells you the market currently believes presentation is not vanity, it is infrastructure. Play is your bottom dweller at negative 1.8, and frankly, the tape does not reward leisure that cannot defend itself on a Tuesday.
Men are outspending women across every tracked flow right now, with the Simp Economy's $1.297 trillion market cap dwarfing the Sponsor Economy's $537 billion. A ratio that continues to humble anyone who thought Q3 2026 would be the quarter women closed the gap. The Grindset Index is today's quiet overachiever, posting a 1.85% gain as men apparently decided investing in themselves was more urgent than investing in anyone else, while Spawn slips into the red and Simp holds modest gains, suggesting the allocation is shifting inward, not outward. For the full breakdown, including this morning's circuit breaker action in the match sector after a 15.9% intraday swing that rattled the men-seeking female matchmaking desk, head to simpx.exchange.